Alrighty guys, I just got back from GameStop and I haven't turned on my PlayStation 4 in approximately actually about 2 months. Just haven't had the time, and now as soon as I want to start it up, this happens, which is fine. I just got done peeling off the plastic of this game right here. The first Red Dead was the best. I mean, I beat that 100%, and I really enjoyed it. This is one of the best games I've ever played. And I'm going to go ahead and install this, but still got to wait for this update. And right now it's Friday the 26th. This is the day this came out. Same day, Friday. But look at the time, 5:32. And I gotta deal with this. And I gotta go to work in the morning. Like, wow. I'm gonna try. But there it is, guys. I cannot wait to play this. I've seen some game footage of it. Looks really nice. Boy, oh boy. They say it takes 60 hours to beat this complete. And I hope I have the time to do it, because of the busy schedule that I have. But I figured I'd make a video about this and show you what I'm up against here. Yeah, my local GameStop, they're running out. People are coming in still. But, alrighty guys. I'll be talking to you. Thanks for watching. Well guys, it's been a while. I'm still waiting. And it's still installing from the disc. I put in the play disc. And right now you can see the size of that. It's a pretty big game. See right now the play disc. The play disc is installing. And what it did was, after I installed the first disc, it just paused until I took it out and put in the play disc. So I'm still waiting, and the time now is 7:10. Started around 5:30, I do believe. Still waiting on everything. There's no way I'm going to play this tonight, because I have to go to bed here shortly to get up bright and early in the morning. But I just wanted to show you, it does take a lot of time to install. And this is from the disc. I could not imagine downloading this game from the internet. That'd take hours. So far, this has taken, what, 5:30, 6:30, about an hour and 45 minutes, roughly. That's a guess. And that's having the disc. Oh, man. Now I got 2 minutes left. Oh, we're getting it now. Look at that. See what happens when it's all done. Yeah, it doesn't look like I'm going to be playing this until late tomorrow. Late Saturday. I didn't know it was going to take this long, because that's the reason why I bought physical media, so it wouldn't take that long to install. I guess it is faster than downloading it from the internet. And plus, everybody's probably downloading it at the same time, so the speeds would probably be slow. I will count it down here. Like I said, that's a huge, huge game. A little over a minute. And this is a Pro, PS4 Pro version, 1 terabyte. I had a lot of space. I guess they want you to have 150 gigs of free space to install this game. That's what the lady at the GameStop said. Or it will not allow you to play it, is what she said. So if you're watching this video for the Red Dead content, yeah, this is the install video. Man. Oh. My friends are online probably sending me messages and I'm not getting them because I'm just doing this. I don't have my headphones on or anything, so I won't be able to answer them back. Holy smokes. Alright, finally counting it down. 5, come on. 4, 3, 2, 1, bam. Is it done? What does that say? Copying from disk is complete. You can start. Installed. Alright. Well, there it is, guys. Whoa, what's happening here? Well, you can see me through the TV. I don't know if it restarted itself or what's going on here. Oh, it's starting to play the game. Oh, man. I want to play it so bad, but it's getting too late. Okay, they don't want you to go through the calibration stuff, so. Alrighty, guys. That's it. I'm going to go ahead and put these videos together and upload them as soon as I can. Talk to you later.